Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Spray Arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new spray arm. The spray arm is located in the bottom of the dishwasher and cleans the dishes in the lower dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and your dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the lower rack out and set it aside. In order to get the spray arm off, you just have to reach in and turn the base counterclockwise. Once you have it unsnapped, you can lift it off and pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new spray arm in, all you have to do is line it up on the base and turn it clockwise to lock it in. Once you have it in place, we can put the lower dish rack back in. All you have to do is set it on the door and push it back into place. Once you have it in, we can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.